I just got our credit card bill. We spent way too much this month. What the heck were you buying?
I think I may have a shopping addiction. I am so sorry, there has to be something we can do.
You know, I think it is high time we start being frugal with our money. Here's what we are going to do. We need to make a budget and make limits on what we can spend.
Can I still buy some new shoes now and again? Also, what about going out to dinner?
Don't worry, we will make a category for clothes and one for restaurants too. If we make a plan for every dollar, we will have better control over it.
This whole budget idea sounds really intimidating. I am not sure if I can stick to one.
Don't worry, we can do it. There are other ways to be frugal too. We can sneak our own popcorn and candy into the movies.
I can paint my own nails, that will save about $20 a week.
I could sure use to lose a few pounds, so eating out less will help me save money and lose weight.
We are going to be cheap penny pinchers now, aren't we?
We don't have to be cheap all the time. We can set aside some fun money each month. This is what you call being frugal. We still know when to let loose and have a good time.
I guess I could start using coupons when grocery shopping. I also found that generic food is less expensive than brand names.
If we eat more starches like rice and potatoes and less meat and dairy, we can save a lot of money on our food bill.
I am so glad that we had this talk. Being frugal doesn't sound as difficult as I thought it would be.
Now we just need to find a way to pay off this credit card.
Let's get started.